Hi, I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Renaissance style cape with a hood that will fit like a Barbie doll and similar sized fashion dolls. Before we begin, please go to my website shelleywood.com to download these 2 free PDF sewing patterns. Use the pattern to cut out 2 of the bottom pieces and 2 of the cape hood pieces. Cut the fabric as directed on the pattern using gray flannel and white polyester cotton blend. Set out the 2 largest pieces, one on top of the other, keeping right sides together if it matters. These will make the cape portion the bottom part of the cloak. Do not sew the top. You're going to sew the gray flannel to the white lining. Trim the corners as shown here. Turn the whole cape portion inside out. I like to use a chopstick to help me poke down into the corners, but go gently. Sew the 2 hoods together along the straight line and press the seam open. Fold the hood so the seam is not showing. Then fold back a flap that exposes the white lining fabric. Press firmly. I also advise you to pin the flap in place while you work on the next step. Gather as shown, keeping the flap in place. So you're going to gather the round part of the hood. Remember, this is the hood that we're working with here, and you want to gather the round part of it. Now gather the cape portion along the edge that has not yet been sewn. Before tying the knot at the end of your gathers, make sure the cape and the hood are the same size at the gather points. Then you're ready to sew these 2 pieces together. Overlay your gathered stitches with bias tape, ribbon, or lace. Then affix a hook and eye or similar finding to connect the 2 sides of the finished garment. Toggle clasps work great. So now it's time to try it on your doll. What a lovely cape we have made. For more free printable PDF sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website shelleywood.com. If, like me, you happen to have an ugly childhood fairy who tends to inspire your arts and crafts, then you may benefit from my Life Balance to-do list. It helps you plan not just your arts and crafts, but it helps you organize your family chores while also rewarding yourself from time to time. Now, if that seems tricky, it also comes with an idea generator to help you fill in the blanks with helpful goals. You can fill it out digitally, or you can print it and fill it out by hand. There's a link to this product in the description.